Welcome back, and today I'll be showing you how to turn on mobile hotspot on your Android phone. So most Android phones will have a quick setting button. So if you scroll down twice to reveal the quick settings, you should have a hotspot button. Then you can use to turn hotspot on by just tapping on it, and hotspot will be enabled. Now, in case you don't have that, then you can watch my video on how to add missing tiles on the quick settings of your Android phone. But the official way of doing it is going to settings. Under settings, go to network and internet, and then go to hotspot and tethering, and you can turn hotspot on from here. So if it's off like that, then you can turn it on from here. Now also, once you turn it on, you can tap on it to see the hotspot name and password. It really is as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.